guys, so I'm going to tell you about this cool tool called MorningFame that I've been using, and what I like about it is how inventively it uses the YouTube API to give you actionable data. What a lot of people complain about on their YouTube channel is, there's a ton of data, but they don't really know what to take action on. And that's what I really like about MorningFame. So it's a paid tool, it's quite inexpensive, and it does a whole bunch of things. So I'm just gonna show you briefly what it's like and what kind of actionable info that you get. So this is inside my MorningFame account. There's a keyword tool, and there's some different tabs here. There's traction, there's strategy, which helps you focus on where you should be focusing your channel, right? So if you didn't have enough watch time to be monetized, it would probably be focusing you on watch time. And they have different workshops for each of those. So they have these different metrics that you can access once you reach certain things. So a lot of this is very gamification style. So this stuff I haven't been able to play around with yet. So we'll talk about the traction here. And basically what you get here is some overall metrics, like is the channel growth speeding up or slowing down, average duration. And so you get check marks if things are looking good or not. So I'll just scroll down and show some other videos down here so you can see that's it's all sortable, but you can see if you're keeping pace. So this particular video is speeding up a ton, so that's really good, and it spurred a bunch of comments, tells you how many likes, average duration, that sort of thing. And so you can see that this one, and it pulls out and highlights certain things. So it says for this video, the average duration is higher than normal, so that's good, great job, your average is 2.31. And then you can actually filter this, so it allows you to quick filter, and you can see your videos that have the highest average duration, which is pretty cool, and the ones that have the least. And I think that's awesome. But what I also want to show you, and this is what I think really is phenomenal, is you get an email after you've published a new video. So I got this email about an hour ago, and this is a video that I just published. So it gives you the title, and it shows your thumbnail, and then it shows your views, how many likes that you've gotten over time, and then it gives you, and I love this part, it says which thumbnail would you click. So it shows you the other thumbnails that you're competing with about the same topic, right? So for your main focus keyword, which thumbnail looks good? So you can see, hey, wow, I need to really make my thumbnail stand out, or I don't. Actually, I think this thumbnail looks good because it looks probably the most professional and pretty sharp in my opinion. The text could be a little bit bigger. So that's something that you can think of, but you can kind of see it in a different way than when you're designing your thumbnail, right? You see it in a comparative sense, which I think is awesome. And then it also shows you your search ranking. So based on your video's tags, I'm already ranking, and I just put this video up, like 24 hours ago. So I'm ranking 3rd for this, 6th for this, 5th for this, 5th, 7th. I'm not ranking for that. So what you can do is it gives you a great, because you can always go and look at your video and see where you're ranking. But what I find really effective is it gives you this email, so you can take a quick scan and maybe you can see, okay, yeah, so I'm not ranking for these terms, maybe take them out and put in some more relevant terms. And then based on the tags of related videos, and these are videos that I don't have, right? So this is actually giving me keywords that I don't have because I don't actually have just placement targeting, right? So that's 5th. So I'm ranking for that. So if I replace some of these low ones with these here, these are ones that I don't have because they're related. I can actually replace these, and then I'll start ranking even better for these terms. And then it gives you an image of the lengths of similar videos, so your video compared to the other videos. I think that's really awesome. So MorningFame is an invite-only tool. I'll put this link in the description so you can check it out yourself. but it's definitely something that I think is awesome because it gives you the analytics in a new way, in a fresh way, in a fun way, and in a gamified way that's going to help you build your channel and give you like actionable information that you can use right now to increase your views and increase your reach with organic YouTube. So I think it's awesome. So check out the link in the description and, try out MorningFame. I think it's absolutely a killer tool, and good luck with your YouTube channel. If you have any YouTube questions, hit me up. I'm more than happy to help.